myself Bhavani from Civil Department. I'm working as Assistant Professor in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Actually, in the last class, we have discussed about types of dressing of stones. Today, we are going to learn about different finishes of stones. Going to the different finishes. First of all, we have after completing the dressing of stones, nothing but after taking the stones from quarrying, we are going to dress the stones according to the construction purpose. Okay, and after that, after various types of finishes can be available for the dressing of stones, and use of these finishes mainly depend upon the type of work and also some of the variety of finishes there you can see. First one is axed finish, boosted finish, next combed finish, circular, and likewise we have overall 18 types of finishes. According to these finishes, these finishes can be we are going to use for the different purposes in the construction purpose. Okay, and coming to the first one, that is axed finish. After the dressing process is completed, and in this dressing process, some of the stones will be hard stones like granite, marble. These are the hard stones. So that's why for these hard stones, these axed finish will be used. Okay, surface of these hard stones such as granite, and these can be dressed according by using the axe. Okay, and that's why by using this axe, we are going to finish that, means finishing will be done by the axe. That's why this finish is called as the axed finish. There you can see the picture, means by using the axe they are cutting the stone. Okay, and here next one, hammer dressed finish. And in this type of finish, where stones are made of roughly square or rectangular by the use of Waller's hammer. Here, after the dressing process is done, means after the cutting, shaping, everything, these finishes can be known for their for the construction process where we are going to use. For that one, this Waller's hammer is very important. Why? Because this Waller's hammer can be used to shape the like rectangular or square shape. For that one, for the stones that are that are made roughly square or rectangular, that can be used by making that finish by using Waller's hammer. There you can see the picture of Waller's hammer, and the next picture is the after finishing is done, stones will be looking like that. Okay, and by using this axe, chisels, we are going to cut the stones accordingly, means that can be roughly square or roughly rectangular, means surface of that stone will be rough only, not smooth. Okay, and some of the grooves will be there on that stones also. In the second picture you can see these, likewise this is the stone that is dressed by the hammer dressed finish, means these stones are roughly squared or roughly rectangular. Okay, by using this Waller's hammer only, we are going to done this finish. That is nothing but the hammer dressed finish. Next one is rubbed finish. In this rubbed finish, this type of finish that is obtained by rubbing the surface with the piece of stone or rubbing the surface with the help of a suitable machines also. Okay, and water or sand that can be used freely to speed up the rubbing process. Here, after taking the stone from the quarrying process, we are going to rub that stone surface with the help of by taking this piece of stone or rubbing the surface with the help of the suitable machine. Means suitable machine, nothing but just like some polishing machines, these machine will be rubbed according to the stone, and this surface will be rough only. But after rubbing the surface with the suitable machine, we are going to use the materials like sand and water can be used freely to speed up the rubbing process. By rubbing, we are going to neatly get the stone into a specific shape. Okay, that is nothing but the rubbed finish. Here we are going to use the water and sand to speed up the process for the rubbing process. Next one, plain finish. And in this plain finish, surface of the stone is made approximately smooth with the help of the saw and also chisel. Means of course we are going to give the shape for any stone by using the tools like chisel, hammer and also saw. After taking the stones, we are going to cut that into a specific shape accordingly. Means where we are going to use that stone, according to that purpose only we are going to cut the stones. That's why here plain surface nothing but that stone can be made very smooth. Means that texture of that texture of that stone will be smoothened, very smoothened. By using this chisel and also saw, we are going to make that stone very smoothened. That's why in this finish, that surface of the stone will be approximately smoothened. Okay, by using the tools, that is nothing but the chisel, hammer, saw, etc. You can see the picture of that plain finish also. Here you can see the stone is smoothened. Surface of that stone is very smoothened and it is in a uniform shape. Means it is in rectangular shape. Okay. Next one, polished finish. And in this polished mission, we are going to use the stones like marbles, marble pellets, granites that can be polished by the hand or by machine. And on the stone surface, depressions are done by using a punch. Okay, by using the punch, and these stone surface that can take into a form of series of hollows and also ridges. Ridges nothing but some up and down likewise. These are likewise we are going to make the shapes on that stone surfaces like marble pellets, granites. Likewise, we are going to polish it by the stone hands or by using the machines, by using polished machines, or by using the we are having some small machine, means polished machine that can be used by the hand itself. And on that stone surface, if this is the stone surface, means on that stone surface only we are going to make the depressions. Okay, using a punch. Means by using a punch we are going to make the depressions on that one. Okay, by using this finish is likewise nothing but first of all we are going to polish that stones by using the hand polish machine or by the machine polishing machine. We are going to polish that one, and after that one we are going to done the on the stone surface we are going to done the depressions. Okay, depressions on the by using the punch. And these after that one, these stone surface that can take the form of series of hollows and also edges. On the stone surface only they are going to form the series of means it can be parallel likewise only. Okay, series of hollows and ridges will be going to form. That is called as the polished missions. Here first of all, first step is we are going to polish the granite or marble pellets stone by using the hand polishing machines or machine polishing only. After that one we are going to make a depressions on that stone surface by using the punch. And after that one, these stone surface it can take the form of series of hollows and also ridges here. Okay. Next one, boosted or draughted finish. And in this finish a booster is used. Booster is used to making the non-continuous parallel marks on the stone surface. Non-continuous means parallel lines nothing but continuously we have to view. But in this finish we are going to use a booster. We are going to use the booster to make the non-continuous parallel marks. Okay, non-continuous parallel marks on the stone surface only. After making that one, these marks can be, it may be horizontal, vertical and also inclined. Here you can see these in this stone surface, the lines are in vertical. These marks are in vertical marks. And here we are going to use the booster to make this non-continuous parallel marks that can be made on the stone surface. And these booster it is nothing but a chisel which is having a edge of width about 60 mm, 60 nothing but 6 centimeters, and about this booster it is nothing but a chisel which is having the edge, surface having the width of about, this width can be about 6 centimeter. Okay, means about this booster it is nothing but a chisel which is having the edge of the width of about 6 centimeter, and these lines can be horizontal, vertical, and also inclined marks will be there. And here in this picture you can see this boosted stone surface that is having the vertical marks on the stone surface, and here non-continuous parallel lines will be there. Means continuously marks will not be there, non-continuous marks will be there on this stone surface. That is nothing but the boosted or drawed finish. Next one, Chisel-Draughted Margins, and in this one we are going to obtain the uniform joints. Okay, that's why by making the uniform joints in the stone edge, the edges can be placed into a class or pitched one. Okay, and here we are going to use the chisel to make this edges that can be of glass or pitched or chamfered. Here, first of all, after taking the stone from the quarrying process, we have to obtain the uniform joints here. Means overall stone surface, means overall that surface of that stone should be, it should obtain the uniform joints. To obtain these uniform joints, the edges that are placed, that can be placed into a class. Okay, that can be placed into a class or pitched or chamfered also. That is nothing but the chisel-draughted margins. And here, surface of this stone is also not at all smoothened surface. It is also a rough surface. Means here we are going to give by using this chisel, we are going to give this type of marks. Means these inclined marks we are going to use nothing but these are the pitched lines. Okay, these are the pitched lines we are going to give by using the chisel here. That is why this finish name it is called as the Chisel-Draughted Margins. Overall that surface will be rough surface only. By using this chisel we are going to give pitches type margins on the stone surface of this finish. Okay. Next one, circular finish, and in this circular finish you can see the picture also. This overall stone surface will be made into a rounded shape. Mainly these types of finished stones can be used for the columns. Means in the nowadays they are using they are not using any stones, but in the ancient days they are using these types of columns. Means circular columns they are using for the construction. Nowadays they are not using. Why? Because nowadays we are using only bricks, cement bricks. Likewise we are using not stones. Nowadays we are not using any stones here. That's why these types of circular finish types of stones we are going to use. But in the ancient days they are used that one. Nowadays we are not going to use. Okay. And first of all, this stone surface will be in rounded shape. Stone surface will be rounded shape, and these circular finish stones can be used for the columns, for the construction of that columns. Like this rounded shape column will be there. Okay. For that column construction only we are going to use this circular finish stones. And this stone surface will be a rough surface only, not at all smoothened surface, and some parallel or inclined line marks can be seen on that stone. Here you can see the marks that can be on the stone. Okay, this can be used for the construction purpose of columns. Okay, next one is combed finish, and in this combed finish, these type of finish, these combed finish can be suitable for the soft stones, and steel comb of sharp teeth is dragged on the surface of the soft stone, means comb like lines we are going to given on that stone surface by using the steel comb. Steel comb that can be of sharp teeth, that is having the sharp teeth, is we are going to take that steel comb of sharp teeth on the stone surface. After dragging that steel comb on that stone, we are going to get these types of marks here. Okay, and this can be done in all directions of the stone surface. That's why it is also called as dragged finish. Means after taking that stone, we are going to take the steel comb of sharp teeth one, and that is dragged on the surface of the soft stone. Means here we are not going to use any hard stone like granite, marble. Here we are going to use the soft stone, nothing but laterite. Likewise, we are using that soft stones. On that soft stones only, we are going to give the marks. Means after dragging that steel comb of sharp edges on that stone surface only, we are going to get these lines. Means get these parallel lines we are going to get after dragging that steel comb. And this can be dragged in all directions of the stone surface. That's why this combed finish is also called as dragged finish here. And coming to the next one, that is furrowed finish. And this furrowed finish is having the beautiful appearance. First of all, you can see the picture here. It is having the very beautiful appearance in which sides can be seen sunk up to 20 mm width. Means 20 mm nothing but 2 cm width will be sunk on the sides. Means here in this, these are the sides. Means if we are going to consider this is the stone, means in the stones, this side part is there now. This side part is sunk up to 20 mm, nothing but 2 cm width will be there. And the middle portion is overall this middle portion will be projected by 15 mm, nothing but 1.5 centimeter. We are having the projection in the middle portion. Okay, and also 10 mm grooves are made on the projected portion. Means these, you can see these grooves now, and here this one is the stone. And in this stone, this width you can see here now, and this width is after all sides that can be sunk up to 2 centimeter here. Means that width. Sides are sunk up to 2 centimeter width, and this middle portion will be there now. This middle portion is projected up to 15 mm here. 15 mm here. And 10 mm grooves can be made on the projected portion. Means here, these, you are seeing these grooves now. These grooves are made on the projected portion only. Okay. These furrowed finish, it is nothing but it is having the beautiful appearance. But grooves will be there on the projected portion also having 10 mm. And also middle portion is projected by 15 mm. And sides are sunk up to, these sides are sunk up to 20 mm width. Okay. Next one. And next one is most important finish. Nothing but reticulated finish. And in this reticulated finish, overall structure of that finish is net-like appearance. It is nothing but the net-like appearance. Here you can see, you can observe this picture also. This is nothing but the net-like appearance. And these having the margin about. Means here you can see here, this margin. If this is the net-like appearance, this margin will be there now. This margin will be about 20 mm width, nothing but 2 centimeter width here. 2 centimeter margin width is here, that can be marked on the stone edges. This is the stone edges. These stone edges is having the margin about 20 mm width on the stone edges. And here irregular sinking will be done in the enclosed space. Here regular sinking will not be there, only irregular sinking will be there. and here this irregular sinking is done in the enclosed space only. In this enclosed space only, irregular space sinking will be done. And the next thing, and 10 mm wide is also provided on the edge of this finish. 10 mm wide of that edge is provided around this, means here. This is the 10 mm width that can be provided around this irregular sinking, irregular shaped sinking, and this is having the overall width. This is having the width about 5 mm. Okay, here it is having the 5 mm depth, means deep will be there like 0.5 centimeter. Depth will be here in the irregular shaped sinking, and here we are going to use a tamper device that can be used to place marks on this submerged surface. Here we are going to use the tapered device that can be used to place marks on this submerged surface. Okay. Coming to the next one, that is punched finish. Here we are going to in this punched finish, we are going to obtain these stones by punching the stone using a machine which depresses the surface of the stones and also create the hollows, ridges on the surface of the stones also. And here, after taking a stone, means after taking that one, a punching machine will be taken, means punching, we are going to, after taking the punching machine, we are going to punch that punching will be given to the stone, means using the machine. After punching means, why we are taking this punching machine means, we are going to depress the surface of that stone. We are going to depress the surface of that stone, and after depress the surface of that stone, we are going to create hollows, ridges, etc. on that surface of the stone. Here in this picture you can observe, if this is the stone surface, means here you can see the different types of hollows, ridges here. Hollows, ridges we are going to see here on the stone surface. By using the punching, by punching the stone using a machine, we are going to get these hollows and ridges on the surface of the stone. That's why it is called as the punched stone. And coming to the next one, that is tooled surface. In this tooled surface, it is nothing but a classic finish. Here we are having the parallel continuous marks. These marks may be horizontal, vertical and also inclined. These overall marking can be done by the chisel. Of course, we are going to use the tools like chisel, hammer, etc. Means so also we are going to use for some purposes, and here we are going to use chisel for the purpose of this marking. Here you can observe the marking here. Na? These marking can be done by the chisels here. And in this tooled finish, why it is called as tooled finish means, by using the tools like chisel, we are going to use that chisel for the purpose of marking on the stone surface. Okay, and these marks is having the parallel marks, means parallel continuous marks in. Okay, and these marks can be horizontal, vertical and also inclined. In this picture you can see the horizontal continuous marks here, and each mark will be having the different, will be having the uniform width here. Means up to some width we are going to give these marks, continuous marks we are going to give to the stone surface by using this tool like chisel. Okay, this marks can be of horizontal, vertical and also inclined also. In some of the finishes we are going to have a horizontal one, in some of the cases we are going to have vertical or inclined also. Here in this picture, horizontal continuous marks will be there. We are using chisel tool, that's why this type of finish is called as the tooled finish. And the next one, scrumbling finish. And in this scrumbling finish, overall stone surface will be rough only. Overall stone surface will be rough only. Means here irregular projections can be seen on that stone surface. Okay. That's why we are going to remove that irregular projections on the stone surface. In this one, first of all, we are going to what means, first of all, irregular projections on the stone surface are removed by using the scrambling hammer, and that resultant rough surface finish is called as the scrambling finish. I already told you, overall surface of this stone will be rough surface only, not smoothened surface. And here, if any irregular projections can be seen on the stone surface, means we have to remember the irregular projections that can be seen on the stone surface by using the scrambling hammer. By using this scrambling hammer, we are going to remove these irregular projections. Okay. And these irregular projections we are going to remove by using the scrambling hammer. And these resultant overall rough surface finish is called as the scrambling finish. Overall this stone surface will be rough surface only. If any other irregular projections will be there, means we are going to remove that one by using this scrambling hammer. Next one, vermiculated finish. And in this one, by seeing this picture only, we can tell that it is just like reticulated finish. Means in that reticulated finish, we are having the some straight lines, but in this vermiculated finish, we are having the curved shaped sinking surfaces, sinking cases. Means in that reticulated one, we are having the straight lines. Here, we are having these curved lines. Means this is almost similar to reticulated finish only, except that the sinking in this case is more curved. Means here you can see, you can observe this sinking, na? This sinking part, overall this sinking part will be more curved and is like worm-eaten appearance. This curved like sinking, that can be tell that it is nothing but the worm-eaten appearance. That is looking that like the worm-eaten appearance. This is exactly similar to the reticulated finish only. In that one, straight lines will be there, almost in the sinking case. But here, in the sinking case, we are having the curved lines, and it is just look like the worm-eaten appearance. Okay. And next one, sunk finish. And in this sunk finish is achieved by the depressing the original surface into wide groove marks and also inclined surfaces. Here you can see this one. In this one, it is this sunk surface. In this sunk surface, it is achieved by depressing the original surface. If this is your stone surface, means in this original surface, we are going to depress the original surface with the wide grooves. Means wide grooves we are going to give. Wide grooves, marks and also inclined surfaces we are going to give in this sunk surface. Okay. On the original surface of the stone only, we are going to give this wide grooves, marks and also inclined surfaces. And next one, quarry faced finish. And in this quarry faced finish, the stones will be having the smooth surface. And this does not require any dressing also. Means almost in all the finishes, we are going to do the dressing process. But for this quarry faced finish, it is not required to do any dressing process. Okay, why? Because these stones are almost having the smooth surface only. And these can be directly, these type of stones can be sometimes directly available from the quarrying only. Means without any cutting, means any dressing process only, we are going to get this type of finishes from the quarrying process only. That's why this is also called as self-faced or rock-faced stones. Means overall surface of that overall stone will be smoothened surfaces. And this stone surfaces that does not require any dressing process also. These are directly we can get from the quarrying process also. That's why these are called as the self-faced or rock-faced finishes. And next one is That is the last one, molded finish. And in this molded finish, by using some tools, machines, these stone surfaces we can mold into our desirable shapes. And this after doing the desirable shape means it can provide good appearance to the work. Means for the in the construction process where we can use this finish for different purposes, for the aesthetic purposes also. For that purpose, by using some tools, machines, we are going to make these stone surfaces into desired shapes. Means it can be square shape, rectangular, circular. If you want our stone into that specific shape, means we are going to give that desirable shape to this finish. Okay, that's why it also provides the good appearance to the work. By using these machines and tools, these stone surfaces can be molded into desired shapes that can provide a good appearance to the work. Means whether it can be in the construction purpose, whether it can be in the aesthetic purpose, we can have this type of finish. Okay, because it is having the good appearance for the work. That's why it can be, this stone surface can be, we can mold into, by using the tools, we can mold this into desirable shapes. Okay, that is about the molded finish. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you everyone.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.